Right, we're downstairs, and you can see it's absolutely pissing through the ceiling past the electric lights. To be the whole of the inside of the bunker has got water, like coming off metal pipes, and there's water everywhere, ceiling-wise. All the floors you get like these sporadic sort of water droplets and things. Hopefully it's just the adverse weather conditions, but it would be nice to sort... Oh, Christ, it just tripped all over me. Would be nice to sort it, well, when I've got some money to sort it.